In primetime news this evening, unease at Hopewell High School in Hanover. Principal returns to work while teachers stay away. Stray horses wreaking havoc, but who is to blame? Respect the process. Private sector weighs in on IC report saga.
And good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. And a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, discussions surrounding sustainable development financing took center stage at the Summit of the Future in New York. We'll have the details later on.
Thank you, Keys. And Jordan Ford has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports.
Well, Archie, the Intersecondary School Sports Association, ISA, is currently investigating a fracas which took place in a schoolboy football match. I'll tell you more about that. Plus, Philip Williams has resigned as the head coach of Dunbeholden FC. I'll let you know why in Primetime Sports Monday.
Not a controversy today.
I love it. And, well, no controversy here. Romain, what's happening with the weather?
Thanks, Janella. Now, the trough system stays across the area, and we're keeping our flash flood watch in effect until 5 in the afternoon tomorrow. We do have showers and thunderstorms that are still expected to affect the island over the next 24 hours.
I love the weather. Yeah.
But not on Friday. There is also sports commentary, E-Prime, and the weather report and forecast in detail later on in this broadcast. But before the break, well, we're going to be going to the break right now, as it turns out.
But we need to tell the people what our feedback question is for tonight. It is, what should be done about the stray horses in the Bernard Lodge area?
Now, you can share those comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.